I see the flasher. He's still a ways down. He's probably still 10 feet, so. Flasher should be coming up. He might fight though here in a second. There's a flasher. I can't see him. Oh.
Burbot, I think. You got a big. It's burbot.
This
Coming up
thing's a
backwards.
tank.
He's huge. I don't know if I can get him by the tail. The big old burbot. He's huge though.
What the hell? I want to get a measurement of this guy.
That's a nice burbot.
This thing is huge. Oh, is he tail up again?
What?
Okay. No. I'd like to get a measurement of this guy, but did I get him in the tail?
No. Here he comes.
Oh my God!
He's huge.
It missed the mouth.
Here, I'm gonna get right. That hook's right there. I wonder if I can get.
Dude, that's a freaking tank.
Nice. Yeah, you can get a measurement on him for sure.
That's a